Most people think building a chatbot requires genius-level coding, giant computers, and mysterious artificial intelligence math. It sounds complicated, expensive, and far beyond normal people. But the truth is much simpler than it looks. Let's erase the complicated picture and start again from scratch. Imagine that a chatbot is simply a box that receives a message and sends a reply. Nothing magical, just instructions. Step 1 is simple. A person sends a message into the box. The box reads the message and prepares to respond. That is the basic beginning of every chatbot interaction. Step 2 is even simpler. The box follows instructions that tell it what to say when certain messages appear. If someone says hello, the box replies hello back. At its core, a chatbot is just a collection of these instructions. When this happens, say that. When this question appears, send this answer. A simple pattern repeated many times. Add more instructions, and the chatbot becomes more useful. It can answer questions, give information, or guide someone through a task step by step. In the past, developers had to write thousands of these instructions manually. That took time and effort, which is why chatbots once seemed difficult to build. Today, something changed. Instead of writing every instruction yourself, you can connect your chatbot to a powerful AI model that already understands language. Now your job becomes much easier. Instead of writing thousands of rules, you simply tell the AI how it should behave, like giving instructions to a helpful assistant. When a user sends a message, the AI reads it, understands the intent, and generates a reply based on the instructions you provided earlier. So the entire chatbot system becomes 3 simple steps: receive a message, process it with instructions, send a response back. Once this loop works, the chatbot can talk to thousands of people automatically, answering questions and helping users without getting tired. What once looked like complicated artificial intelligence is actually just a system that reads messages and follows clear instructions. When you break big systems into small steps, the mystery disappears. Complex technology often hides a surprisingly simple foundation. So, building a chatbot is not about magic or genius. It is simply about giving clear instructions to a box that knows how to respond.